What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a midday market update. It's I made my daily updates 2 hours ago, so it's a little bit of an early market update, but this way it fits into my schedule. And I also want to talk about some things, all right? Because today is most likely going to be a big day, all right? I mean, we are going to get some sort of an outcome about the Ethereum ETF. Because what's happening today is that the Fnac Ethereum ETF, the final deadline is today. All right. So that's big. That today we'll get an outcome, at least on that ETF. And I feel, I mean, overall, I'm very bullish. Overall, I think the ETF is going to pass. But there are some things that can happen which could actually be very bearish today and tomorrow. And that's what I wanted to talk about. First of all, when we talk about the market, so then I'm talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin, that's still relatively strong. All right, so Ethereum right here still looks bullish. It looks like it's about to break 3,850 and rally up higher towards 3,900 and possibly 4,000. So that's all looking good. And Bitcoin itself is, well, a little bit weaker because Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin at this moment, but also not bearish. But the thing is that the only result I think that would deliver a bullish reaction to the market is an approval. And I'm not sure if they'll approve the ETFs with the deadlines today and tomorrow, because tomorrow we have the ARK 21 shares ETF. Those are the first two ones that have their deadlines today and tomorrow. What could also happen, and I think that's a little bit more likely, but that's purely based on feelings. What I think is a little bit more likely is that they will postpone them until the 30th of May, when we also have hashtags, excuse me, or potentially until a little bit later. So then we're talking about June, July, or August. I'm not sure if they're going to approve these first two already. So that's what I'm worried about, all right? Because we've seen a ton of leverage. If there's anything but an approval, I worry about a spike down. And that's what I want to talk to you about. I think in general, trading right now is going to be very risky. So be careful. That's what I want to say. Right now, everything still looks good. And I think that even if it gets delayed and we get a spike down, and by the way, I still think it's more likely to be approved in the next week. But if we do get delayed, then I still think that will provide us with some amazing entries. All right. So I don't think it's the end of the world. I just want to prepare you for it. Right now, like I said, everything still looks great. Everything still looks bullish. We have a lot of volume, we have a lot of momentum, and we have cryptos that are rallying. So that's what I think you need to know regarding the fundamentals today. The outcome of the ETF and when it will be accepted, I think they'll give an outcome. I think it was like 7:30 p.m. UTC. So that's in the evening in Europe, in my time zone. So that's UTC +2. I think that's around 9 or 10 is what I calculated it back to then, because I don't know the exact time anymore. And in the US, that's earlier. That's in the afternoon, later in the afternoon, but in the afternoon. So that's what we're waiting for. All right. Now, if we're looking at cryptos today that look good, it's Ethereum beta. All right. So you see LDO, ENS, SSV, Arbitrum, Optimism, all performing great. So that has to do with Ethereum doing good here. If we break out, those can still rally before the ETF outcome. All right. Also Athena. But Athena, ENS looks super strong. But also Arbitrum, Optimism, the layer 2s, etc. And then apart from that, meme coins. All right, you see Bonk performing relatively well, but other meme coins like Bonk is by far the strongest performer right now. But other meme coins are doing quite good as well, or earlier today at least did quite well. They are a little bit more reliant on Bitcoin. So that's what I think you need to watch for now. I'm not sure if there's anything else you really need to watch. I mean, it's going to be a tough day to trade. I'm not sure if I would recommend trading. Probably not, to be fair. Chili's is also showing some momentum. But apart from that, be careful. All right. I'm bullish. Overall, I'm very bullish on the markets right now. But you should not underestimate the impact that some sort of a rejection, possibly, but also a postponement can bring. So know that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.